May nabanggit kayo na iniimbestigahan yung senator, ha? Yun lang natatandaan ko kasi yun yung medyo prominent yung medyo mataas yung posisyon na hinahabol, ano? Kumusta yung investigasyon nyo? Senatorial candidate under investigation.
Ito po, Ma'am Ami, ay ang aming Committee on Contrabigay ang nag-iimbestiga na. Doon po sa mga nauna pa ng mga local candidates nakapag-issue na po ng show cause orders at again, hinihintay na lang namin yung explanation nila within a period of 5 days. Doon naman po sa senatorial candidate, I think any moment from now, they will be issuing also the show cause order as against that particular candidate. Total naman po ang show cause order just for them to be able to explain. Part ng due process, in fact, start pa lang talaga ng due process yan. Hindi naman sinasabi may formal na case na. So later on po, we are going to reveal who this particular candidate is. And meron din po kasi mga party list na iniimbestigahan na ang aming pong Committee on Contrabigay. Sa kasalukuyan, meron na po kaming 93 national and local candidates subject of the investigation. And hopefully, later on, there will be a formal petition for disqualification to be filed against these particular candidates.
Will you make
Ano
that
exactly
public,
nature nung vote buying nung senatorial candidate? Ano yung ginawa niya?
Alam niyo po kasi kahit po hindi naman talaga yung directly nagbigay, pero nagkaroon ka ng, for example, abuse of state resources, although covered dyan ng ibang provision of the Omnibus Election Code. Pero kung abuse of state resources, tantamount to vote buying also, then yung po magka-classify din po siya doon sa election offense na yon. Yes, Sir Ronald po, we are going to put that public. Sabi nga po natin, we are making public naman po everything from those who are discriminating, from those who are using yung mga text blast machines, from those who are committing yung mga abuse of state resources o yung paggamit ng private resources, and everything we are making them public po. So para naman po ang hindi para ipahiya sila. Pero gusto po namin sabihin, wala naman po tayong papanigan and we are going to reveal everything to the public.
Sir, did I understand correctly? Kailan niyo po ilalabas yung names ng
itong mga inimbestigahan po?
Oo, under suspicion of vote
Lalo
buying.
na yung senator, yung senator.
Candidate.
Once na po yung show cause order, nilalabas po natin yung mga pangalan katulad po kanina sa ating pong briefing, sa press briefing dito, may mga nilabas po kaming pangalan, especially, for example, doon sa issue ng discrimination dyan sa Pasay City. Nilalabas po tayo names. Kaya lang po, mas magandang ilabas po yung names after ma-issue yung show cause order. Para hindi sabihin, pinangunahan muna ng minidya muna bago kami magbibigyan pa sila ng dahilan para lamang po makaiwas doon sa responsibility.
So sir, when can we expect it to be specific? Lalo na po yung sa senatorial candidate. We understand gusto niyo pong bagyan na muna ng show cause order, but when should we expect the details?
Ano po, after Holy Week po, i-expect po natin yan. Ayaw ko po i-put pressure doon sa committee headed by Commissioner Ernesto Maceda. Siya rin naman po ang nag-reveal nung sinasabi na name na yan, although hindi niya officially pang binanggit. And then, expect niyo po that it will be revealed the soonest possible time.